Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can steal others' brain rots in Escape Tsunami for Brainrots Roblox. So did you know you can actually take brain rots from other players using the steal mechanic? I'm going to show you exactly how you can use this tool and the best strategy to snag high tire blocks during the chaos of the tsunami. So first thing first, you need to know that you can only steal the brown roads in the tsunami area. So you cannot steal it in the safe area right here. So what you need to do is just go to the tsunami area first. And if you see other holding a brain rot, you can use the bat to hit them, and they will let go of the brain rots, and you can easily steal it. I don't see any players here, so I cannot show you, but you can just basically swing your bat to the other players holding a brain rots, and you can claim their brain rot easily. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.